So welcome back to yet another interesting video. It's your favorite girl here, this series. So on today's video, we'll be talking about mixing your Visita Plus cream onto your Nivea body lotion in order to brighten up your skin. Some of you have been complaining that your body lotion seems not to be working on your skin, and you want to learn how to activate or boost the effectiveness of your body lotion to start working on your skin in order to achieve that ×3 brightening. If you are among this category, therefore this video is definitely made for you. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you the practical aspect on how you can activate that's your lotion, that's your Nivea body lotion, that's your body lotion that seems not to be working on your skin, the best and the effective way to activate it in order to achieve that ×3 brightening without any negative reaction. Here with me is the Visita Plus cream. This is a very good and a wonderful cream, but should not be misused. They call it triple action cream because it is made for antibacterial, anti-fungi. Okay, it is a medicated cream used for fungi infection and bacteria infection. It is called a triple action cream because it contains 3 active ingredients. It contains cotrimazole. Cotrimazole is an anti-fungi. It also contains neomycin. Neomycin is an antibacterial. And it also contains betametazone. Betametazone is steroid. Now, this particular cream contains steroid, and that is the more reason why it is said it should not be misused. Use it for the main purpose, but should not be misused. Some of you will go ahead to buy this to mix it with your body lotion or the Funbact A or the skineal, maybe like 2 or 3 of it, and start mixing it into your body lotion just because you want to achieve skin brightening or skin lightening. My dear, you're getting it all wrong, because at the end of the day, you're damaging your skin. Do you know there are still other ways you can activate your body lotion? You can boost that's your Nivea body lotion. You can boost that's your body lotion that seems not to be working on your skin without making use of all these tools. Are you aware of that? I'll be sharing these tips on this video. You will see someone with sunburn, hyperpigmentation, looking for Visita Plus cream, looking for Funbact A, looking for skineal to use to clear his or her sunburn. Guys, are you aware that these products, these creams contain strong steroid? Beta-cortisone is a very strong steroid. And do you know the harmful effect this is going to cause to your skin? This cream should be used only for short-term skin infections and should not be used more than 7 days under medical supervision. I even found out that a lot of people still use Visita Plus cream, Funbact A, skineal as their normal face cream, as their normal everyday face cream. They use it both in the morning and at night as their normal face cream. Do you know the danger you're putting your skin into? Do you know the danger you're putting your face into? After mixing this to your lotion, maybe let's say the first week or the second week of using this on your body or maybe on your face, you're going to achieve that lightening effect you want to. Like, you're going to get that lightening effect maybe the first week or the second week because it contains steroid. Of course, highest 2-3 days, you're going to start seeing that lightening effect you want. Okay, but then the after effect is what I'm talking about. The 3rd week or the 4th week, that is when you're going to see that yes, this particular cream contains steroid, and you're going to start seeing the negative aspect of it, which is, do you know what we call zebra stretch mark? It's going to give you zebra stretch mark. It's going to make your green veins be very pronounced and visible. It's going to give you dark knuckles. It's going to give you white patches. It's going to give you a rebound hyperpigmentation. You guys know that once your skin is damaged, fixing it back is always very difficult. So is it not better you don't even start it at all? So this is basically made for short-term use and not long-term use. Don't use a good product for the wrong purpose. Those of you using this or using Funbact A or using skineal on your face, you're damaging your skin. Don't use tooth creams on your face or as your face cream. You won't like the after effect it's going to give to your skin. Please forward this video to your friends or anyone you know that is using skineal, that is using Funbact A, that is using Visita Plus cream as their face cream. Please forward this video to them and tell them to stop to stop if they don't want to damage their skin. Be it Funbact A, be it skineal, be it epiderm, be it bicotine, like any tube cream at all, tell them to stop using it on their face. With that being said, if you are still confused on how to activate or boost the effectiveness of your body lotions like the Nivea body lotion or any body lotion at all that seems not to be working on your skin, now I'm going to explain. The first step to activate that's your body lotion for it to start working on your skin, or if you want to achieve 2 to 3 shade brightening or 3 times brightening effect with that your body lotion, the first thing is a good bar soap, a good brightening bar soap. So now for this video, I'm going to be recommending you go for the Soft 7 turmeric bar soap. I'm going to leave a picture of it on the screen. Now this particular bar soap, it is very good, but I won't advise you to use it on your face. Don't use it on your face skin. This is one of the bar soap that's going to help to elevate your skin brightening. Okay, we also have other body bar soap like the Ashanti bar soap. We have the 4-in-1 kojic white glitter papaya alpha butane bar soap. So now the second thing you're going to be needing to enhance or activate the effectiveness of that your body lotion is a good body scrub. And for this video, I'm going to be recommending the Cool Spa body scrub and the Dr. Mania Alpha Butane body scrub. You can check on my page. I think I've done a review about these 2 body scrubs. For the Cool Spa body scrub, for people that have a very strong and a tough skin, you can go for the Cool Spa body scrub. It has different colors, different varieties. Okay, that is for people that have a very tough and a strong skin. Okay, now for people that have a very sensitive and a very soft skin and their body lotion seems not to be working on their skin, I will advise you go for the sugar body scrub. Make sure you get a body scrub while making use of that your body lotion, while making use of your Nivea body lotion, if you want to boost the effectiveness. Exfoliating your skin is more like you removing dead skin cells at the top layer of your skin so that it will give room for that body lotion to work perfectly well on your skin. Third thing we're going to be needing in order to activate this Nivea body lotion, or that's your body lotion that seems not to be working on your skin, is this. You're going to be needing a good body oil. A good body oil. And for this video, I'm going to be recommending the Glow Booster Lightening body oil. This body oil is very good, and it is being sold at the price of 6,000 naira. Just make sure you're getting the original of it. Now this body oil, it is very good, and whenever you're using it together with this body lotion, use it only at night. Combine it only at night, but during the day just use this alone. Then at night pair it together with this lotion. It is very good. It is going to help to visibly reduce your dark spots. Okay, secondly, it's also going to help to repair your damaged skin. That lightening body oil is going to help to elevate your dull skin. It's going to help to brighten up your skin and clear your dark knuckles, your dark patches, your dark spots, and the rest of it kind. And it's also going to help to, give you that ×2 brightening. So that is why if you're making use of something like the Nivea body lotion that does not lighten the skin, that does not brighten the skin that much, okay, you're going to use something like this. You're going to use the Glow Booster Lightening oil to elevate the effectiveness. And remember, I said why using this, use it only at night. A lot of you will be asking me, what if I can't get this particular Glow Booster Lightening oil? You can still go for the Diesel Vitamin C body oil. The Diesel Vitamin C body oil, it is still very good. You can still use it to pair your body lotion. That's your body lotion that seems not to be working on your skin. It's going to help to elevate the effectiveness. Okay, if you can't get the Diesel Vitamin C body oil, you can go for the Vit Gold Vitamin C body oil. I'm going to leave a picture of it on the screen. The Vit Gold Vitamin C body oil, or you can go for the Vit Gold turmeric body oil. Is going to help to elevate the effectiveness of your body lotion. Now this tip I'm sharing is not basically made for just the Nivea body lotion. You can still use it for any body lotion that you are using that seems not to be giving you that result you want, and you're very sure that yes, that particular body lotion is a very good body lotion, but you need to enhance the effectiveness of that particular body lotion. Just follow this same tip. Okay, it's going to help to elevate the effectiveness of that particular body lotion. At the end, you will see that you're not going to have any need of using this tube or using the Funbact A, or using the Visita Plus, or using the Skineal, or using the Epiderm, name it, you're not going to find any reason of using all those two to enhance the effectiveness of your body lotion. So guys, that is all for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and I was able to convince you and not confuse you that mixing your tube cream into your body lotion is not good. It is not the right way to activate your body lotion. And again, I hope you have learned the proper way to activate your body lotion that seems not to be working on your skin. Guys, share this video so that other people might also benefit from it. So my love, if you enjoy watching this video today, do not hesitate to give it a huge thumbs up, like, share. I want to see your comments on the comment section. Even if you don't have anything to say, just say thank you for this video. It's going to go a very long way for me. Like this video, comment, I beg, comment. Not just that, if you're yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Why haven't you subscribed to the channel? Please support this little channel by subscribing to the channel. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel to join the subscribe community. I promise you're not going to regret it. I'm going to be seeing you guys on my next one. Until then, remain shiny, remain glowy, remain beautiful. See you guys on my next one. Bye.